In this video, I will learn how to create and use custom label templates in SBL Core. When I first installed the software on my computer, the SBL Core templates folder also appeared in the documents on my disk. This is the one that will be key to creating custom templates. When creating a custom template, I will use tags to put the text I need on the label. Symbols are inserted by the software in place of placeholders. A list of the tags together with a description of their functions can be found in the SBL Core manual. Placeholders can be found in the documents under the SBL Core templates folder and then placeholders. I can create a template in Word. I open a new document. First, I set the size of the page and page margins. I will create a label template for a 3-liter container with a label size of 7.4 per 5.2 centimeters. So I click on Layout, Size, More paper sizes in the main menu. Here I will set the size I want. Next, I set the margins depending on the printer. This way, I have prepared a default template look. I can then start inserting marks and symbols. At the top of the menu, I click on Insert, then Pictures, and insert a symbol with the number 1. For each placeholder image, I need to set the minimum symbol size required by legislation. The placeholder image is replaced by a 1-to-1 symbol. Because I'm creating a label for a package smaller than 3 liters, I have to use a minimum symbol size of 16 millimeters. The symbol size is set as a virtual square around the red symbol. The size of the placeholders can be found together with the labels in the SBL Core software manual. Now, I will set the size of the placeholder. I right-click on the symbol and select Size and Position. I set the size as absolute height to 2.26 centimeters. In order to set the exact position of the symbol, I will select Before Text in the Text Wrapping tab. For accuracy, I also set the placement of the symbols in absolute position to the page. If I want to create additional placeholders, I'll add them with the same size and settings. In order to insert tags, I need to create a new text box. I click on Insert Text Box. Now I can edit its settings. I select the format shape with the right mouse button. I will set text box margins to 0.01 centimeters at best. Then I'll clear the outline of the text box. I write the marks or copy them from the manual. When I generate the label, these marks will be replaced with the data from the safety data sheet. I can also insert the text individually into new text fields and then position them within the template. I can also add the company logo and address. Using the Allow Font Resize tag, I can adjust the size of the text to the text field. I have the label ready, and I can save it to my computer. If you find this procedure complicated, or if you are not sure, just write a message to the email shown. We will be happy to prepare label templates for you. All you have to do is upload the finished label file into the software. I go to the Label tab, click on Add Label, choose my own template, and upload my file. SBL Core will create a label from this file. To avoid having to manually insert the template each time, I save it in Documents in the SBL Core Templates folder. The program will then offer it automatically. If I have multiple custom templates, it is best to name the file names using shortcuts with template parameters. The software can recognize these parameters and will then offer them to me always for the corresponding pack and number of symbols. I can find out how to name the files correctly in the software manual.